DIY, tie-dye ideas, easy patterns and amp, color combos for beginners. Ready to transform plain clothes into vibrant, one-of-a-kind creations? No experience? No problem. In this video, I'm teaching you beginner-friendly tie-dye patterns and simple color combos that anyone can nail. Grab your old shirts and let's turn them into wearable art that makes a statement. Before diving into creativity, gather your supplies. You'll need white clothes, tie-dye kits, rubber bands, gloves, plastic bags, and a workspace protected with plastic. Don't forget some water for pre-soaking fabrics. It helps the colors stick better. Got your tools? Let's bring your vision to life. The spiral is a timeless tie-dye design, and it's surprisingly simple. Start by pinching the center of your item and twisting it clockwise until you have a coiled disc. Secure it with rubber bands to create sections. Apply different dye colors to each section of your disc. Rotate as you go to ensure full coverage. Once you're done, wrap it in plastic and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. Unravel to reveal your masterpiece. Stripes are perfect for bold, modern looks. Lay your fabric flat and fold it accordion style, like a fan. Once folded, use rubber bands to section it off at equal intervals along the length. Apply multiple or single colors to achieve clean, striking stripes. Want softer lines? Slightly overlap the colors. The result? A vibrant, patterned look that's minimalist yet impactful. For a touch of whimsy, create a heart-shaped tie-dye. Fold your shirt in half lengthwise, then draw half a heart outline with a washable marker. Tie along the heart line with a rubber band, leaving the rest scrunched. Dye the heart section one color and the other areas contrasting shades. The final reveal? A dreamy, colorful heart that's ideal for shirts and tote bags alike. Choosing colors doesn't have to be tricky. Go for pairs like blue and green for a calming vibe, or pink and orange for a sunset feel. Want bold? Try complementary colors, like purple and yellow. Just avoid mixing too many shades. It can turn muddy. Experiment with monochromes by using varying intensities of one color. Or use pre-made tie-dye kits with coordinated palettes. It's an effortless way to achieve stunning results. For extra vibrant results, use 100% cotton fabrics as they absorb dye better. Always pre-soak your items in water mixed with soda ash to ensure bold hues. And don't be afraid to embrace imperfections. Tie-dye is supposed to be fun and carefree. Messy hands? Don't stress. Wear gloves and clothes you don't mind staining. And remember, patience is key. Leave the dye to set overnight for richer, longer-lasting colors. Once your designs are dry, it's time to share the magic. Pair your tie-dye pieces with jeans, skirts, or accessories to create standout looks. Need more inspiration? Listen. Experiment with bandanas, hoodies, or pillowcases next time. There's no limit to what you can create. Just start with these beginner-friendly ideas, and your confidence will grow as you go. Each piece will tell its own colorful story. Now it's your turn. Grab your supplies, pick a pattern, and unleash your creativity. Whether you're gifting, decorating, or adding flair to your wardrobe, tie-dye has endless possibilities. Don't forget to share your creations in the comments or tag us online. Time to get messy and make magic.